Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do this in two parts because I tried doing the jewelry jar in all one part and I can't get it to upload. So this will be part one of the jewelry bag that I got. This is the last one I have. I found two in like the past 6 months, but I figured I might as well get them in while there's a sale going on. Everything in this video will be $10 or under, and let's go ahead and get started. At first we have this 5-strand glass bow like pearls, I believe. They're silver tone. They have this iridescence. It has this kind of closure. And it is 20 inches and it'll be $8. Alright, and then I have this fun bauble bar necklace. It is marked here, bauble bar, gold tone. And then it has these fun baubles with like gold tone and like a pearlized statement necklace here. And it is 18 to 21 inches and it'll be $8. Then we have a large stretch. These are like a lucite and it'll be $1. And we have this cool double strand tiger's eye spring green closure. Let's see if I can get it to lay nicely for you. And it is 20.5 inches on its shortest and it will be $10. Pretty tiger's eye on that. And next we have another stretch bracelet. This is dyed shell and it'll be $5. Then we have a black lariat necklace, or you could use it as a belt. It has these little rondelles, glass beads, and let's see, sorry. It is 49 inches long and it'll be $10. And then we have this little dyed shell memory wire bracelet. That'll be $1. Some little cat eye beads in there. Then we have this one. I like this one. Silver tone lobster claw with a long extender. It looks like halite and glass and ceramic. These beads are cool. It is 18 to 21.5 inches and it'll be $6. I like that one. And then we have this stretch bracelet. Let me see if I can get it right. It has these beads. I assume they're dyed to look like turquoise. And then it has this mother of pearl here. Good stretch on it. And it will be $5. Then we have this one. I really like this one. It is J. Crew, and these are glass. This is a nice one. It's quite heavy, so if you live outside of the country, just keep that in mind because those are heavy glass beads on there. It is 29 inches long, and that one will be $10. We have another stretch bracelet. This one is wood and it has matching earrings with it, and that will be $1. And we have this hematite heart with these yellow cat eye beads. I really like that. Good color combination on that one. It is 18 inches long and it'll be $7. And then we have this little glass pendant here. Has some aventurine in there. That is, I don't know what, something on it that wiped off. And it will be $3. It is 2.5 inches. And then we have a stone chip necklace with this pretty carved mother of pearl flower pendant on it. These are like some sort of quartz. kind of yellowish, maybe citrine. I'm not positive, but definitely stone. And it has a spring ring clasp on it. And that one is 28.5 inches, and it'll be $8. And then we have this. I wish this fit me. I would have kept this. It has a sterling silver toggle here, and then glass, and these pretty bicones, and these are freshwater pearls. Absolutely pretty little dainty bracelet like I like. And it is 8.5 inches long, and it will be $10. Chicos. Alright, this is Chico's. They seem to put a lot of Chicos in these bags. Chicos, like the bead caps here on the end. Glass beads in very good condition. It is 17.5 to 21 inches, and it'll be $8. And then we have this little lightweight. It is gold tone lobster claw. And then we have, this is quartz. These are faux. These are like an acrylic. It is 17 to 20 inches, and it'll be $2. We have another long, good layering piece, dyed shell, lobster claw with a long extender, some glass beads on there. Really pretty. It is 37 inches, and it'll be $4. And we have another stone chip necklace. This one's continuous, no clasp, so it would be good for crafting or to wear on its own. Looks like different stones in there, maybe some carnelian and quartz. Really pretty. It is 36 inches long, and it'll be $5. And then we have this disc necklace, and it is really long also. These are like acrylic beads on there, and it is 38 inches, and it will be $1. And then we have this one that I must have skipped over somewhere. It is 16.5 to 19.5 inches. This one has a nice weight to it, not too lightweight. Silver tone. Let's see if I can get it to lay right. Sorry if that's loud, guys. And it is going to be $4. Please don't forget to give me a like and leave a comment and subscribe if you're not. And I'm going to go ahead and record part 2 now, and hopefully this one will upload this time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.